you cannot stop them from visiting. And nakita ko yung video, but sabi nyo nga, may kompleto kayong video, that's why I'm asking you, baka naman pinapasok nyo nang hindi ko alam. Sabi mo, sir, ako na. Ako nag-decision nito, sir. I don't know if you use the word ako mananagot. So, simple ang question ko, did you prevent VP Sara from seeing her father? Yes or no?
Can I respond, sir, before I answer the yes or no?
Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Kaya ako nagpapasalamat, sir, na ma-expound dyan, sir. Dahil after the first hearing, medyo marami-rami ang lumabas, sir, ng mga misinformation regarding that matter, sir. Yes, sir, I did I did deny the request of President Duterte for him to allow VP Sara to enter, sir. Kasi nga naman, sir, alas 10 na yun, sir. And that is already around 12 hours after we first got him into custody.
Naku.
The VP has all the chances to be with the President earlier that day. We're expecting her actually, sir, mga alas 3 pa lang. May information na darating siya. And kung gusto talaga nilang pumasok, sir, pwede naman, sir. Kasi
hinatapan mo nga di ba?
sinunod sa loob ng Villamor.
Yun na hinarang, di ba? Sabi
Yes,
niya,
ma'am. Ito, mama.
sabi na, matagal na.
I did really prevent that from the VP. I told the President that she can visit her on the detention cell in Hague. Sabi ko kung gusto niya talaga. Pero
Sabi
kasi
mo,
nga naman,
papasok.
ma'am,
Sa kabila
sandali, ma'am.
mo, you prevent
let me-
talaga.
Let me clarify, ma'am. Hindi pa ako tapos, ma'am.
Alo.
Hindi, iba-iba lang yung sinasabi mo
Ma'am, patapusin niyo ako kung pwede.
Alo.
Kung pwede, ma'am. Okay lang.
Ala ka, gravity.
Kasi ma'am, meron tayong,
Epic the suspension is,
if you will allow me. Sir, if you will allow me, sir.
yaw.
Okay, sir.
Kaya nga, but please.
Ito, sir, after all was being said and done, yung sasakyan nila, sir, and 5 other vehicles, nakapasok at sinundo sila, sir. Ang aeroplano nasa bukas pa ang pintuan, sir. So, yan, sir, ang isang tumayong malaybo nun, sir, noong panahon na nakita ko, andyan yata si VP Sara, andyan si Bongo nakapasok na. Kasi sinusundo na, sir, sina Hanelet at saka si Kitty, sir, ng kanilang mga sasakyan, together with the other entourage. Pahan nila sa babae dun, sir, sa tarmac, bukas pa naman, sir, ang pintuan.
Alam mo, Madam Chair, sir, you
That's a new thing, sir.
pwede pumasok yung si Ma'am Hanelit at saka si Kitty. Gusto mo ring sabay-sabay na sila.
Sir, ganito. Hindi ko dinideny na pinrevent ko si VP Sara na pumasok based on the request of the President, the former President.
Okay.
The reason for that,
VP Sara from entering.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because the reason for that is that 12 hours na nakalipas at tapos na ang lahat ng mga delaying tactics. We cannot allow that. At otherwise, magiging magulo pa.
Nag-expire pala yung karapatan ng
Expiration date pala yung karapatan ng anak na bubisita sa kanyang tatay.
Sir, we do believe, ako, sir, personally, that's my call at that time because I'm operating on the premise na actually should.
It's your call to
Yes, sir.
violate the law.
Yes.
It's your call to violate the law. Dahil nakalagay sa batas, binabay ni Senator Alan Cayetano na bawal na pigilan yung anak na bubisita. So it's your call to violate the law.
Hindi sa ganong context, sir.
Anong context? Sabi ko lang, pinahinatlangan mo yung pagpasok
Sir President.